Hi, it's Katie here. Just got a bit of beading fun for you in today's little video. Back when I launched my beaded playing cards pattern, that was early 2020 I believe, a lot of people asked me whether it was possible to shuffle the playing cards. Well, at that time I hadn't made all my cards and I didn't have enough to try it out, so I literally didn't know how to answer them. Well, a few months have passed. I've been continuing to make cards. I like to make them in between other projects, so it's a bit of a break in proceedings all around, and it's quite nice to have a beading project that I can just bead and not have to be worrying about writing a tutorial as well, because the tutorial's already done for that. And I know there's lots of you out there who are already enjoying making your own beaded playing cards. Anyway, cut a long story short, I've now reached the point where I've got 10 playing cards completed, and I thought, well, that's actually enough to try shuffling them. So that's exactly what I've done. Now, I warn you, I am certainly no card shark. In fact, to be honest, my card shuffling skills are pretty mediocre even with a proper pack of cards. But I think, without spoiling things too much, the answer is yes, you can shuffle beaded playing cards. So take a look and see what you think.